G'day, here's a small parcel of small pieces. Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns. These are cheaper parcel, and some of the pieces mightn't have much colour in them, but they're basically small and you may cut a few good ones. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. I've turned some of the pieces over. They are basically all faces, not like lightning ridge type material that is a knobby and you've got to cut it all over. You just cut one side down to get to the face. For something like this, you might only just decide to cut this top bit out, get a stone out of that. The opal goes around there a curve. It's over here very fine as well. So I think they've all got some opal on them, but some are better than others, of course. Anyway. Let's just bring those up a bit closer to the camera to see what you can see there. Or rather bring the camera down to it. That's about it there. It's a pretty little piece. It's only about a third of the stone, but anyway, they are what they are. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.